Ungqongqoshe wezobuciko amasiko nezemidlalo unathi Mathatho usenxuse umphakathi ukuba uqinise imizamo yawo yokuqeda ukucwasana emphakathini. Kungaba ukucwasana ngokobuhlanga, ibala kanye nobulili. Uthi umphakathi angeke ujikelane nakuba ubhekene nezinselelo eziningi. Ethula umlayezo wosuku lokubuyisana okungusuku lwanamhlanje. Mathatho unxuse umphakathi ukuba uzwane. Uthi ukubuyisana kuqala ngokuguqula indlela umuntu aziphatha ngayo naphawula ngayo.
We will soon be at the end of what has for many been a difficult year. In our communities, at our places of work and study, and in our homes, South Africans have had to confront many challenges. We have had to deal with the devastating effects of the COVID-19 pandemic, with rising food and fuel prices, with catastrophic flooding in parts of the country, and with ongoing load shedding. It is therefore particularly distressing that amidst all these challenges, there have been several incidents of racism and intolerance. We have witnessed racist acts in our universities, schools, and other public places. Whilst it is deeply disturbing that these attitudes continue in our society, we must take encouragement from the fact that the perpetrators of racism have found neither sympathy nor condonation from the broader society.